Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. If you've been following this Swahili series, congratulations. You've already learned how to talk about yourself, another person, and even a group that includes you. Today we are adding two very useful groups, which is you, all, and they. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to talk to a group of people and also talk about what other people do in their daily lives. Before we learn something new, let's warm up our Swahili brains. If I say ninakula, that means I am eating. If I say unakula, that means you are eating. If I say anakula, that means he or she is eating. And if I say tunakula, that means we are eating. Very good. Now let's imagine the whole family is sitting at the dinner table. Maybe there are brothers, sisters, cousins, uncles, and even grandparents. How do we say you all are eating? Now that's what we are going to learn next. In Swahili, when talking to more than one person, we use the subject prefix which is m. Now let's conjugate some common verbs using this subject prefix. We will use different verbs. So for example, if I want to say you all are eating, in Swahili you'd say mnakula. Repeat after me. Mnakula. Good. So the M is the subject prefix for you all. Na is the tense marker, which is the present tense, and then the verb kula. So mnakula. You all are eating. Good. To say you all are drinking, you would say mnakunywa. Repeat after me. Mnakunywa. One more time. Mnakunywa. Good job. Now, to say you all are reading, you would say mnasoma. Repeat after me. Mnasoma. One last time. Mnasoma. Good. And to say you all are working, you would say mnafanya kazi. Repeat after me. Mnafanya kazi. One last time. Mnafanya kazi. Good. Now let's do a simple practice. So for example, imagine you're standing in front of your friends. You ask, mnakunywa chai? That simply means, are you all drinking tea? They reply, ndiyo tunakunywa chai. That simply means, yes, we are drinking tea. Or maybe, you can ask them, mnasoma Kiswahili? That simply means, are you all learning Swahili? Hopefully, their answer is, ndiyo tunasoma Kiswahili. Yes, we are learning Swahili. Now for the next part, let's talk about other people. So they, maybe your friends, maybe your neighbors, maybe your children, or maybe your classmates or workmates. When we say they in Swahili, the subject prefix that is used is wa. Now let's look at some examples. For example, when you want to say they are eating, you can say wanakula. Repeat after me. Wanakula. One more time. Wanakula. Good job. Another example. They are reading. You can say wanasoma. Repeat after me. Wanasoma. One more time. Wanasoma. Good job. Another example. If you want to say they are running, you can say wanakimbia. Repeat after me. Wanakimbia. One more time. Wanakimbia. Good job. The last example is if you want to say they are working, you can say wanafanya kazi. Repeat after me. Wanafanya kazi. One more time. Wanafanya kazi. Good job. Good job. Let's do some real life examples. So let's imagine you're looking outside your window and then you see some children reading. You can say watoto wanasoma. Watoto wanasoma. So the children are studying or reading. Or maybe you're walking down a street and you see some people eating in a restaurant. You can say watu wanakula. Watu wanakula. So that simply means people are eating. So watu is people and then wanakula, they are eating. Good job. Now let's do a fun challenge. So I want to see if you can translate these sentences and then I will give you the answers. So the first one, they are eating. Wanakula. Good job. You all are eating. Mnakula. Perfect. They are running. Wanakimbia. Good job. You all are drinking tea. Mnakunywa chai. Perfect. They are drinking coffee. Wanakunywa kahawa. Good job. They are sleeping. Wanalala. You all are sleeping. Mnalala. Good job. Now today we have learned the subject prefix for you all, which is m, pronounced as m, and the subject prefix for they, which is wa. Now you have learned how to talk to a group of people and to talk about other people nicely, obviously. And that's a huge step forward. So keep practicing these forms throughout the day. When you see people working, say something like wanafanya kazi. All right? Or if they are eating, you can say wanakula. If they're drinking something, you can say wanakunywa. So the more Swahili you use, the faster it becomes natural. Before you leave, write a comment with your favorite verb from this video today, and I will respond to your comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with someone who wants to learn Swahili. And I will see you in the next lesson. Kwaheri!